If your business feels like a roller coaster, one week you're busy, next week nothing, this video will show you why that happens and how to fix it using a simple system most business owners completely miss. If you're a small business owner, freelancer, consultant, tradesperson, online seller, or running a local business, and your income feels inconsistent, this is probably the most important video you'll watch. Because I'm not going to give you complicated strategies, marketing hacks, or try this new platform advice. I'm going to show you something much simpler, why your revenue feels random and how to make it predictable. Section 1. The real problem. Let's start with what's actually going on. Most business owners think I need more leads or I need better marketing. But in reality, the problem is this. There is no system behind how your business generates revenue. So what happens? Some days people find you, inquiries come in, sales happen, other days, nothing, and it feels random. Real life example, I spoke to a freelancer recently. They said some weeks I'm fully booked, then suddenly I have no work. When we looked at their process, there was no consistent outreach, no structured follow-up, and no daily visibility. Everything depended on when things happened. That's not a business system, that's uncertainty. Section 2. Why hard work doesn't fix this. Here's where most people go wrong. When things slow down, they think I need to work harder. So they post more, try new platforms, and reach out randomly. But this creates another problem. More effort without structure. And that leads to burnout, confusion, and inconsistent results. Simple truth. You don't have an effort problem. You have a structure problem. Section 3. Insight number 1. Not all work creates revenue. This is a big one. Most of your daily work, like emails, admin, operations, does not directly bring clients. Only a few actions do: talking to new people, responding to leads, and following up. That's it. Example: a tradesperson I worked with reduced their working hours but increased revenue. Why? They stopped focusing on everything and focused only on revenue driving actions. Section 4. Insight number 2. Consistency beats intensity. Most people operate like this: big effort, short burst, then nothing. That creates unstable results. Instead, you need small actions done daily. Example: an online seller started doing one daily post, consistent replies, and follow ups. Nothing fancy. Within weeks, sales became consistent. Section 5. Insight number 3. Follow-ups are the biggest miss. This is where most people lose money. They send one message, wait, and move on. But many customers need time, forget, or get distracted. Example: a consultant increased conversions just by following up consistently. No new strategy, just better execution. Section 6. Insight number 4. You need a simple structure. Now, here's where everything comes together. A predictable business doesn't rely on motivation, luck, or timing. It relies on repeatable actions. At a high level, every business needs visibility, conversations, conversion, and follow-up. Not complicated, just structured. Now, I'm not going into exact steps, full breakdown, or detailed system because that's where most people get overwhelmed. But what you need to understand is this has to become something you follow daily, not something you try sometimes. Section 7. Why most people still fail. Even after understanding this, most people don't implement it. Why? Because they overthink, don't have a clear daily structure, and don't know what to repeat. So they fall back into random actions. Let's simplify everything. If your business feels inconsistent, it's not because you're not working hard enough or you're missing some secret strategy. It's because your actions are not structured. What you actually need. You need a clear daily structure, simple actions, and consistency. That's what creates predictable revenue. If you want to start applying this, I've put together a simple free checklist that shows you what to do daily, how to structure your actions, and how to build consistency. You can grab it using the link in the description.